guys, in this video I'm gonna explain you how to fix site can't be reached. I think I have also faced this issue before few days, so I'm gonna give you explanation how to fix. I have checked in YouTube and Chrome, but I they gave many solutions to fix, but I didn't work in any solution. These are the solution. I'm gonna give you. If you want, you can check here in I button. You can check here and click the this is first method. This is second method. I'm gonna posting. Okay, you can see how to fix. You can see it. You can see in the top corner here. You can see my video. You can check. Click on here. Okay, and now I'll show you I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, so that you need to open command prompt CMD. You can search command prompt or else for one second, guys. You can search here command prompt or else click Windows plus R. Run is opened. Type here CMD. Click on OK. And here CMD is opened. Now what you need to do is type. You need to paste two codes. Now I'm gonna give. Just paste it now. I'll see here's the code. I'll give this two codes in my. I'll do codes in the description, or else you can check my blog post to get the codes. Just copy this code. I gave in description. You can check there. Now we can paste here. Pasted. Click on enter. Okay, guys, after click on enter, you can see this. After this, you want to paste the second code. Now this is code is for to reset and administrator to change the main issue. Okay, now this is the important code. Okay, just copy this and paste it on enter. You can see yes. Okay, resetting a lot of messages and will be done. But if you go and check your website, whichever you face a problem, it will not work. You need to restart your computer. Go to here and click on restart. I'll come after restarting. Okay, guys, once again. Guys, now it's restarted. You can now go on to check this. I have faced it in Rockstar Game Launcher website, so I'm gonna check in that website. Which website you have faced the error, you can check that. Okay. Rockstar Game Launcher. Okay, Rockstar Game Launcher is opening. Generate for 6 seconds. Does it work or not? Okay, I think it's working. Okay, guys, the website without any issues running. This is the way how to fix. Just comment down which type of content can we post as soon. I think I'm gonna post about I'm having GTA 5. I'll post about GTA 5 contents to install mods in upcoming videos, guys. Please support me. If you doesn't work in this method also, just comment down below. I will say another method. There are lot of methods. Really, to fix this, there are lot of methods. Nearly 5 to 6 methods are there. I will explain in next videos coming up on videos. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.